In today's video, I'm going to be trying out some nail hacks, and depending on how well they turn out, determine if they're a hit or a miss.
Hacks today inspired by Cute Polishes hacks on YouTube. First up, making nail tape. Polishes used something nude and punching in a little yellow. Start by polishing a section of the tape. Wait for it to dry. I recommend at least 15 minutes. Once the polish is dry, cut your desired size strips. Note, for longer nails, you will need to cut vertically into the tape, as horizontally will limit the length of the strip. The challenge is taking it off with the scissors, or in general, working with DIY nail tape, as it's not completely dry and may smudge or be removed from the surface of the tape. So, handle with care. I'm using nude because I love the contrast of nude and neon. Applying the nail tape is pretty easy, but there are smudges where the tape was being handled. I'm just going over them with the polish to neaten them up. Apply some top coat, and there you have it. For me, it's a hit. A great way to get nail tape in your favorite color. Next up, using a ballpoint pen if you don't have a dotting tool. Polish is used, custom green, the Bella, Punchinella Little Yellow, Wake Up and Live, See It There, Good Old White. The idea is that the tip of the pen makes small dots and the top makes bigger ones. My pen isn't ballpoint, but it does curve, so I'm gonna see if I can make it work anyway. Since I'm using bright colors for the dots, I'm using a neutral base. I dip the tip into the polish and then lightly touch the nail. Looks pretty good. Now for the bigger side, for the bigger dots. Looks good too. So, now to continue with the rest of the colors. Apply some top coat, and there we go. This is a definite hit. Perfect dots from both sides of the pen. The last hack I'm gonna try is the DIY nail transfers. Polishes used, Sky Juice, Good Up, and Cake Soap. I'm using a Ziploc bag for my plastic base. The idea is to paint your design on the plastic. This should make maneuvering the brush easier so you can make a neater design, and also give you a better chance of putting a design on your dominant hand as well. Once the design is on, apply top coat just on the design. Wait at least 15 minutes for it to dry. Meanwhile, polish your nails your desired color for the base of your nail art. Use tweezers or a nipper to lift the transfers you made and place onto your nail. By the looks of how they're being applied, I think I should have done it while the base polish was still wet. any of the design hangs off the nail, you can just use remover to clean it up, as it is all nail polish. Apply a top coat to bring it all together. Some of them came out perfectly, and others not so much. There were some bubbles and visible areas where the transfers were placed. Putting on wet polish may have helped eliminate that. So for me, for now, it's a hit or a miss. I hope you enjoyed watching me break down those nail hacks and hopefully feel inspired to try them yourself.